Hello, Victor here, RestoringMercedes.com. Now, today on the bench I have this throttle body. This is from a 92 300 SE. A rare kind of specimen, I gotta say, because you don't see many of these, because usually they don't fail, because these are the 92 93 models that don't have the biodegradable wiring inside the throttle body wiring loom, right? This is a clean unit because it's a low mileage unit and it's on the bench just to heat it up, right? So I just wanted to see if the coil is actually holding, and as we can see, the temperature here is over 90 degrees, and you know, it's pretty warm because this whole throttle body obviously is made out of aluminum, so aluminum dissipates heat and heat very well. So the hottest points are usually around here. So we got, as we can see, over 90 degrees. So it's been energized for 2 days straight, and I don't see the coil giving up. So I would say the coil is okay. Now the problem there is that the problem with this unit was that the stoppy, a little stop, spring-loaded stop was bad. It collapsed, and therefore the plate was not lined up properly. So the stop was replaced, and now it's lined up correctly. Unit is energized as you listen to it. I'm gonna show the cycle in a little bit. The readings here that we have, they also follow if I move the throttle plate in the actual lever, throttle lever, 0.49, that's the first potentiometer. That's the one that is connected to the actual plate, right? Now, second thing is, I would just show that on the camera. I would just like bend the whole loom, because I've seen the physical damages probably during the installation, or some sort of manufacturing defect, if you will, where the wires would be mechanically damaged, right? So vibration or what have you. Yes, I've seen that, but this one, it appears to be okay. I don't see the throttle body de-energizing and shutting down. If I move this wiring loom, it seems to be holding just fine. Yes, it's a large plug. That's the large connector. Now, second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna look at the secondary potentiometer. In order for me to show you that, I have to actually take out the gear. So let me pause this video, get the screwdriver, get this bolt out, and then I'll continue. Alright, so this is the continuation. Now if you look inside the cover, you can take a look at the color, right? So it's very nice and clean. I do not see any sign of overheat as well. That's also a good thing. Potentiometer sound is right. So, you know, I have no problems really with this unit all along, except for the stoppie. Right, so we'll take the gear out. Now the motor is trying to spin. It tries to bring the plate in the position where it needs to be. If I move the plate slightly, I can stop the motor, because potentiometer reads. There, I have it stopped. It's a very, very delicate kind of process here to get this thing to be exactly where the controller wants the plate to be. As you can see, it's just moving like crazy now, because it's not, it senses the plate, the motion. Now, looking at this reading right here, this is going to be a second potentiometer, so I'm going to just like move the clutch all the way. Let's say wide open throttle, and we can see, well, yeah, it's not that simple, but in any event, this is just to check the second potentiometer. I'm trying to make this video on the fly here because I have to get this unit done. Right, so it's late night again as usual. It's like 10 p.m. right now already, and I've been up since 7. So alright, so we have 0.29, 0.27, because second potentiometer also follows. So I have no issue really with the secondary potentiometer. That seemed to be okay. And also safety contact switch here also reacts. That's a good thing, right? There goes. So and that's basically going to be all. I'm going to have to assemble this now. I have to lubricate the gear. I clean the gear. Look, even the gear. I mean, everything looks so nice internally. I mean, I'm pretty satisfied with the way it looks. Seems to be low mileage. I'm going to put it back together, and off it goes. So this would conclude our test. And this was Victor at RestoringMercedes.com, and thank you for watching.